Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Quality Inn South Springfield. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. The Quality Inn South Hotel is conveniently located near Bass Pro Shops, the Assemblies of God Headquarters, St. John's Hospital and CoxHealth Hospitals. Several schools, including Drury University, Missouri State University, Evangel University and Baptist Bible College, are minutes from this Springfield, Missouri hotel. Branson is about 25 minutes south on Highway 65. The hotel is within walking distance of an IMAX theater, a grocery store and numerous restaurants and retail establishments. Guests can catch up on current events with a free newspaper. Guests of the Springfield, Missouri hotel will also enjoy additional amenities and features such as free wireless high-speed internet access, free hot breakfast with sausage biscuits, cereal, pastries, bread and fruit, free coffee, a seasonal outdoor courtyard pool, and an 24-hour exercise room. Business travelers will appreciate conveniences like the computer in the lobby available 24 hours a day and access to copy and fax services. All spacious guest rooms have cable TV with HBO, irons and ironing boards. Some also have refrigerators and microwaves. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.